All right, so we're gonna do the whole short box series of what we would do on the reformer. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on a mat. So you could do this on the floor on your Pilates mat. Same exact thing, just using our body weight, not sitting on the box on the reformer. All right, so the exact same thing we just did. We're gonna sit really tall. We'll have the arms straight out in front of us. So you wanna have good posture, keep the abs in, flat back hinge, use the abs, sit up really tall. So we'll do 8 of everything. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It could be a little movement. You just don't want to go all the way down to the mat. Last one, let's stay back and do those little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to sitting tall. You can always stretch. You can reach for your feet. Okay, good. Next one, rounding back. So the arms are straight out again. We're going to scoop the belly round to the tailbone. And then let's come up sitting really tall. So scoop the belly, rounding. Sit up really tall. Let's try 6 more. 6, 5, 4, super controlled with your body. 3, 2. Last one, we're going to add those little pulses in. Stay back, little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back up. You can always stretch. Okay, last one, we're going to add in that little rotate from the round back. So arms are straight out again. Round back. Open one arm, look in that direction. Come in, other side. Good, let's try 6 more. 6, 5, make sure the abs are in. 4, 3, 2, last one. Coming back up, sitting tall. If you're feeling it, do the stretch. Amazing. So if you don't have a reformer at home, you can kind of do similar exercises on your Pilates mat using your body weight. Till next time.